Across several major roads, medians and pavements intended to separate traffic and provide safe walkways are gradually becoming obstacles. Overgrown vegetation, tree branches, discarded logs, damaged signposts and piles of refuse now occupy spaces designed to protect both pedestrians and motorists. For many pedestrians, the blocked walkways leave little choice but to walk along the edges of busy roads, often weaving through moving traffic to continue their journeys.
It's difficult for us to make our way out as these pavements are bushy. So some of these things, it makes maybe pedestrians who choose to go to the main street or the main road to walk. Some of these things can bring about accidents.
So we plead the government to come help us take care of the refuge on the pavement for us so we can get enough space and then get fresh air as we are passing by.
Motorists say the situation poses an equally serious danger, with overgrown medians and objects left along roadsides, restricting visibility at intersections, U-turns and bends, making it difficult to spot approaching vehicles and increasing the likelihood of collisions.
Sometimes it affects visibility as drivers because there might be a turn which we might take, whether left or right, and due to the bush or the weeds that has grown, it covers the sign post at some vantage point, so it doesn't allow we drivers to know what is at stake ahead of us.
Sanitation workers say the challenge is compounded by indiscriminate dumping of refuse and the rapid growth of weeds during the rainy season.
The problem that we are facing is some of them are putting the rubbish inside the pavement. That rubbish belongs to house. People are carrying their rubbish from house to come and put it for the pavement. At the end of the day, they were doing the complaints that assembly didn't take the responsibility of the rubbish.
Some municipal authorities acknowledge the growing concern, but point out that visibility for road maintenance is shared. They explain that while the Ghana Highway Authority maintains highways, metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies are responsible for roads and medians within their jurisdictions.
The highways are done by the Ghana Highway Authority. Then for those that are within the municipalities, that is the area to area, it is assembly that takes responsibility. But more often, when the highways have not even done it, which they do periodically, since I came, they have weeded from all the way the Dimples roundabout to Abofun overhead. But when you get to the Akwiteman stretch, you realize that there's no weeds. But from the La Paz going to Nyamiche, all the way to Malam Junction they have been weeding. But the onset of the rain has also caused rapid growth of the weeds.
In the situation we find ourselves today, we've touched the NADMO coordinator because we realized that during this rainy season, we've experienced about 3 of our neem trees falling down. So we've charged the NADMO coordinator and his team to make sure that we trim all our neem trees along the Dakuman to Nyamiche High Street and then from Kwashiman to Odoko High Street.